Hello students, in this session we have Ismail's story for you. He is my student, very notorious but good at studies too. So it was last year when I was distributing maths answer sheet after correction and the whole class was nervous about their marks. Well, everybody but Ismail, he was nowhere to be seen in the classroom. All of us waited for him for about 5 minutes and I started to distribute the answer sheets. There was Ismail at the door.
May I come in, ma'am?
You are late, Ismail. I am going to deduct 2 marks for your score for not being punctual. That is loss of 2 marks for you.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I was playing throw ball outside.
Well, Ismail was late and I was angry about that. But he was honest in telling me where he was. He did not lie. He could have just said,
I fell near the water cooler, ma'am. I hurt my head.
or
I was actually coming to the class, but then I was stopped by a mirror to practice drama, ma'am.
he told the truth. So I said, well, you are late, but you are not a liar. So you get 3 marks extra for that.
Thank you, ma'am. That's a profit of 1 mark for me.
Now students, why should Ismail say it was profit of 1 mark when I have awarded him 3 extra for honesty? What is profit? What is loss? To answer this question, let us start the chapter Profit and Loss. Profit and loss are mostly studied when it comes to money. When a businessman or a shopkeeper buys something or commodity, the price at which he has to buy it is called the cost price, which is denoted as CP. Now, obviously, the businessman or the shopkeeper bought that commodity because he had to sell that to somebody. The price at which he sells that is naturally called the selling price, which is denoted as SP. So, if the shopkeeper sells the commodity at a higher price than the cost price, he will make a profit. Profit is also known as gain. You make a gain or profit if the commodity's selling price is higher than its cost price. And profit can be calculated by the formula profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. And a profit is made only in case selling price is higher than the cost price.
एप्पल ले लो एप्पल 90 रुपए किलो 90 रुपए किलो एप्पल.
So, if a fruit seller buys apples at rupees 60 per kg and sells them at rupees 90 per kg, does he make a profit? Well, is the selling price higher than the cost price? The cost price CP is equal to rupees 60, and since he sells them at rupees 90, selling price SP is rupees 90, which is clearly more than the cost price. So he will make a profit. How much will that profit be? It will be selling price minus cost price, or 90 minus 60, which is rupees 30. So, the fruit seller makes a profit of rupees 30 every time he sells the kilograms of apples. Students, you know what happened to me at a stationery shop yesterday? Let us go to the flashback. Bhaiya, what is the cost of this book?
40, madam.
But I got this book yesterday for 30 rupees.
That must be some other quality book, ma'am. 35.
No, the quality was same and the publisher's name was also same. Everything was same.
No. But I get it for 35, ma'am. 5 रुपए अब मैं 30 में कैसे दे सकता हूँ आपको? मैं खुद 35 का.
Yeah, 30 rupees is. I think it is okay for this.
नहीं मैडम लॉस हो जाएगा ना आप समझिए.
But I cannot give more than 30. You take this 30 and I'm taking this book. So students, if he really bought the book for 35 and I paid him 30, did he make a profit? Are you sure? Why don't you spend some time with your notebook and a pen and calculate if he made a profit? If he did not make a profit, what did he make? Think about it, and I shall be answering this in the next session. Till then, goodbye.
खरीद के ठेला अपना लगाऊंगा रे। एसपी रखूंगा सीपी से हायर, प्रॉफिट खूब कमाऊंगा रे।